Okay, so this is your third and final problem of your Longbowman worksheet. So, your troops are camped right here, and Dorchtum's army is, how far away are they? I think they're 25, yeah. So they are 2,500 meters away, and they are advancing on your position at a constant speed of 13 meters per second. So, you are going to use the same initial velocity that you've been working with the whole time for these arrows. So you're going to shoot, and you're going to come down, and you're going to, okay? And you are launching at 45 degrees, and your initial velocity is 59.87 meters per second. Okay, so if we think about it, in the first problem, I told you what your max range was for the arrows. Okay, it was 400 yards, or 365.7 meters. Okay? So, if we think about it, that's how long my arrows can go. So, how long the army has to walk before they meet my arrow is just 2,500 minus my range, which is 365.7. So that gives me a total walking distance for my army of 2,134.3 meters. Okay, that's how far they have to walk. That is this distance right here. Okay? So, if we think about it, I could figure out how long it would take for those troops to get here. Because I know that distance, if they're moving at constant velocity, distance equals velocity times time. I know my distance is 2,134.3. My velocity of the troops is 13. And I'm looking for how long it's going to take for them to get in range. So just divide both sides by 13. You get a time of 164.18 seconds. Okay? That's how long it's going to take for them to walk into range of my arrows. Now, I want to fire as soon as they are in range. Okay? So, I want to meet them. I want my arrows to meet them right when they get here. Okay? Now, you know what your hang time is of your arrow. You found it in problem 1. So, this is time for the troops, and time for the arrow was, let's look back and see, it was 8.64 seconds. So it's going to take your arrow 8.64 seconds to get here, and it's going to take the troops 164.18 seconds to get here. So your firing time should be 164.18 minus 8.64. That gives you a firing time of 155.54 seconds. So, total flight time of your arrow was 8.64. You want to subtract that from the total walk time, which is 164.18. So this is how long you should wait to fire your arrows in order to meet the troops right when they get in range. And that, my friends, is your Longbowman worksheet.